This is our mining yard.
The challenges we face in Bitcoin mining is cyber attack. And so because of that, we have one of the best in the world, one of the best in Africa, in fact the best in Nigeria so far, that is here to make sure that our Bitcoin mining network is secure. My nigga.
Okay, we're here to make sure the network is super secure from attacks. As you can see, we have virtual network setup. They are all not connected. There is a DMZ for that zone and a DMZ for this zone. And the network we have a very strong firewall attack in place, being managed by the UGMP. The firewall is to make sure the traffic coming in are secured one way and secured